Looking for a smarter, fully automated way to grow your crypto portfolio without constantly tracking the markets or stressing over timing? Arbivex is an advanced AI-powered trading platform designed specifically for Canadian investors who want to build their crypto assets automatically, securely, and efficiently. Through intelligent automation and real-time market analysis, Arbivex helps users generate consistent daily returns, even with zero prior trading experience. With potential daily profits ranging from 100 to 500 Canadian dollars, the platform runs 24/7, identifying and executing the most profitable trades on your behalf. There's no need for manual input or technical knowledge. Arbivex takes care of everything, from trade decisions to execution. And with some users seeing monthly returns of up to 70%, Arbivex is quickly becoming one of Canada's most trusted and high-performing crypto tools. Fully automated and beginner-friendly AI-optimized trading strategies, secure and compliant with Canadian financial standards. If you're ready to start, click the link in the description to claim your exclusive welcome bonus and become one of the first Canadians to unlock the full benefits of Arbivex. Arbivex operates continuously, powered by sophisticated AI that scans global markets, detects emerging trends, and executes trades with speed and precision. Whether you're a first-time investor or already experienced in crypto, the platform is designed to minimize risk and maximize returns, hands-free. Based in Canada, Arbivex complies fully with FINTRAC, CRA, and all national financial and privacy regulations. Your data and assets are protected using military-grade encryption and the latest security protocols. Thousands of users across the world rely on Arbivex for stable, automated crypto income. With a clean, intuitive dashboard, Arbivex simplifies investing, making crypto accessible to everyone. Imagine checking your portfolio and seeing steady daily growth without stress, charts, or guesswork. Don't wait. Click the link, activate your bonus, and experience how Arbivex is transforming crypto investing in Canada. Arbivex is built on three core pillars: trust, security, innovation. It's fully compliant with Canadian and international financial laws, including robust AML and KYC policies. The platform connects seamlessly with leading exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, so you can link your wallet and begin automated trading in minutes. The AI engine behind Arbivex is built by top fintech engineers and is continuously fine-tuned to adapt to changing market conditions, reducing risk while targeting high-value opportunities. Need help? Our Canada-based support team is available 24/7 to guide you, whether you're just starting out or diving into advanced features. If you're ready to grow passive crypto income through a secure, intelligent, and local solution, now is the time. Click the link, unlock your bonus, and be part of the first wave of Canadians experiencing Arbivex. Discover Arbivex, Canada's AI-powered crypto bot for smart, fully automated investing.